In this video, I'm going to show how to delete multiple posts on Facebook add-ons. Let's start. At first, open your Facebook app, must be official Facebook app, and then click your profile and then scroll down and find manage post option and click manage post option and then select post. Which post do you want to delete permanently? Remember that after deleting from here you cannot be recovered your post on your Facebook account. And after selecting, just click delete option and then click delete post, and that is how to delete multiple posts on Facebook add-ons. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.